Most aspirants study anthropology, but very few learn how UPSC wants anthropology to be written. This gap is exactly what this program is designed to fill. Hello everyone. Today I am launching the Anthropology Enrichment 300 plus program, which is basically a value addition program with answer writing. This is not a random foundation program. This is enrichment program where you will get value addition along with the test series. So you will get 14 sectional tests and 6 full length tests. Now let me tell you how we are going to proceed. In this program, there is going to be a full-fledged schedule. As you can see, the batch is starting from the 6th of July. On the 6th July, there is some units allotted. Here you can see on the screen unit 1.1 to 1.3. Syllabus as given by the UPSC related to the paper 1. So, in this batch, you will get 29 revision session. So, the first revision session is going to be on the 6th July. Now, what we are going to have in this revision session, as I am telling you that this is not a random foundation batch. As we are dividing the units in 29 sessions, so first we are going to have the PYQ trend analysis. First, I am going to explain the PYQs. We are going to analyze the trend related to the unit 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. After that, we are going to have a quick revision of these units. In the quick revision, we first going to have analysis of the static topics. Then I am going to provide you the list of the anthropologists at one place. All the anthropologists at one place related to a certain unit. Let us suppose unit 1.1. So I would be giving you a list in terms of a table where I would be giving you the around 9 to 10 anthropologists, will provide you the reference, and I will let you know which are more important and which you need to quote. So here I am going to provide you the table, and this is going to be unit wise, like unit 1.1 2 table, unit 1.2 1 table, unit 1.3 2 table. So that's how you will get the tables of the anthropologist name. This would help you to revise, this would help you to retain the things, everything at one place. Fine. So I will provide you the table of the anthropologist related to the unit. Once we are done with this part, the table of the a basic table of the anthropologist, after that we are going to have the diagrams. The kind of diagrams you can add upon in your answers, in your content. I will be giving you ready-made diagrams that you just need to quote. Then I am going to provide you the current affair. Related to each and every unit. This is going to be part of the quick revision. This is in terms of the value addition, the enrichment. So, you will get the current affairs as well as you will get the value addition case studies. You will get the case studies. Next. Third point. Once we are done with the quick revision, then I am going to provide you 300 plus practice question with model answer. In the class itself, I will be providing you unit wise. So, in totality, I will provide you 300 plus practice question with model answer. So, this practice question with model answer, in the class itself, I am going to tell you the approach. I will teach you how to prepare the introduction, the meaning, then how to prepare the body, then the conclusion, everything I will provide you at one place. And at last, we are going to analyze the topper's answer copy. so that you will understand how toppers are writing, what you can learn, how you can make your answers more appealing. This is what we are going to do. So, on the 6th of July, we are going to have the first session. The session would include these things. On the 7th of July, this is your revision day. You just need revise your notes plus the class. In the class, I will provide you what? Annotated PDF. Then next session we will have on the 8th July. This session would include the unit 2.1, 2.2 nature of culture, nature of society. Same, the lecture is based upon this format, and the very next day on the 9th July you will revise it. Now in the class itself I will teach you how to prepare short notes. Short notes preparation is very important. Why? Because once you are appearing for the mains, you had given your GS exam and then you need to appear for your optional exam. In between you are having 5 days. So those 5 days should be stress free, and to make them stress free we should prepare the short notes. So these short notes, they are going to be your one-stop solution for the revision, will include everything in terms of the examples, in terms of the value addition, in terms of the diagram, everything at one place. So every single time whenever you are going to revise, so your one-stop solution would be the same. Fine. So then on the 10th July till the 18th July, date wise I will give you schedule. We are going to prepare a separate group and I will be providing you the schedule. Based upon the schedule, you have to prepare the short notes and then you need to revise. On the 18th July, you need to appear for the test. Test of unit 1.1 to 2.2. Once you will get evaluation, then you need to share your evaluated copy with me. We both will sit, will analyze, and we are going to prepare the positive point as well as the negative point. And in the next test, we are going to analyze on the same tangent. We'll see, have you improved over your negative points, your weak points. So this is the whole plan to provide you one-stop solution, 360-degree approach to prepare for your optional. So this batch is starting from 6th of July. So this batch is starting from the 6th of July. If you want further detail, there is number available in the description box, and you can also visit the website. The link is here in the description box. If you have any further query, you can fill up the form available in the description box and you can connect with me. Okay. So thank you so much.